What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, in this one, I want to talk about probably a sector within crypto that I've mentioned is going to make a move. And I think it's going to absolutely explode, which would be the election coin sector, right? You have meme coins, and within those meme coins, you have certain groups of meme coins, right? Dog coins, cat coins, more that's towards Elon Musk, right? A very large list that's towards Elon Musk. But then you have other ones like election coins and frog coins and things that may be a little bit smaller of a niche or a sector, but definitely going to have some major popularity and probably going to build, right? Because typically when you get into meme coins, if you are going to have success, you either have a large amount of success based on the amount of money that you invest, a large amount of money, or you have a large amount of success based on when you invest into it. So if you think about the success that came from Shiba Inu or Dogecoin, you had to be in the beginning before dog coins were even a thing. But now dog coins are huge and you can make a lot of money in it, but you probably have to invest like 50 or $100,000 in order to get up to like $1 million or something like that, right? You're looking for a 10, 20x return on those things. But then you go over to other places like maybe some new Elon coins, right? Grok might end up having a lot more growth to it because you're kind of in the beginning stages of it by having a meme coins based around Elon Musk as well as AI. But then you look at election coins, and we're kind of in the early stages of things. Yes, we do have one that absolutely taken off, but we haven't seen that second one that has made a large move. And I think this may be it, just based on the structure, how it looks, and hopefully you can get some more exchanges and more popularity and all of that there. But I needed to talk about one play here that I think is going to be a banger play for me versus the other play, which was MAGA Trump, that it still is going to be a big mover and give me some value out of it and how much I invested, but I had to invest a lot more to get maybe what I would get over here for this coin. Now the coin I'm talking about is Joe Biden coin. Election coins again can go both ways. I'm not saying that I'm for or against anybody. I am for investment. I am for gains all day, every day. That's basically what it's all about. So before we get into this, make sure you guys hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter or follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. Now, don't forget about my link for Margex. If you guys are interested in trading on Margex, I trade on there frequently, and you can leverage trade up to 100x leverage, all the way down to 5x leverage, and you could trade a very small amount if you want to, just to practice. You can trade $1, $2, $5, and then leverage trade 5x or leverage trade 50 or 100x if you want to. Get some practice, understand trading, and you'll be successful there. All right, I think I'm up like 2,000% on my Jasmine play, which is phenomenal. Other ones I'm up like 200 or 100%. So feel free to go ahead and check out that link for Margex down below. But as I went into my portfolio today, right? I'm not gonna go through the whole entire thing, but as I went into my portfolio today, I sorted by the biggest movers. And these biggest movers that we saw, or the biggest mover that we saw today, actually was Joe Biden coin. And it's sitting around 82% of a gain in the last 24 hours. In the last 7 days, 286%. I just recently talked about election coins again and how things were taking off. Joe Biden coin was at a higher level. And you're going to see here that I'm up 301% on my investment. I have a total of $4,714.68, and my average buy price is 27% of a penny. This is what I mean, right? You get started early into these plays, and then you can see that progression, you can see that growth. It's just you have to have kind of conviction in what you're investing into, because people will tear you down. As soon as I made that investment, people were like, no, that's not it. It doesn't have the exchanges, doesn't have the popularity. But I saw that it did have a little hint of popularity. It also had kind of the same structure in a way as like MAGA Trump there, because you see MAGA Trump and where that is at $9.26 or 27 cents. I have about $2,000 that's in there, but I'm only up 48% on this. So this is actually sitting at, I believe, a 200, if I'm not mistaken, no, a $400 million market cap. $400 million market cap with $12 million worth of volume, and you have different places to where you can buy it, right? 165 different pairings that are there. However, you have kind of early stages on things. When we look at Joe Biden coin, we're looking at a 1 cent price, and it is at a, let's go ahead, I'm sitting at $4,714, which again is $3,540 of profit. So that's great to see. But then you look at Joe Biden coin, it's currently sitting at a $10 million market cap. Now, it's not to say it will 100% get to those levels, but we're definitely looking at something that, if you can see exchanges, if you could see more popularity in, the, election time will come the end of this year, absolutely you're going to see Joe Biden coin make a move. So right now, again, I'm up 300% at $4,758.96. And we can see the volume is up by 207% at 1.7 million. That's not a lot, right? Eventually we will see a lot more volume, and when we do, just imagine what's going to happen to the overall market cap, and imagine what's going to happen to the price. Like, we just look at this at a simple format and say this is going to get to 25% of what MAGA Trump got to. So a $400 million market cap, this is going to get to a $100 million market cap. From here, where I stand, it will be a 10x, adding a zero to my overall balance, being at $47,000. Now, that's only saying if we only get to those points. Now, I believe there are other things that are created, or other positions that are created, but this kind of has that same structure in a way that I feel like you're going to see a lot of these coins that are, or tokens that are created to create hype around the election, to create hype around the meme of the election, or multiple memes of the election. And we're going to see so much higher, or definitely higher of a market cap, as well as a price that comes with this. Again, I decided to take a risk into this play, investing early stages before anybody said that this was actually going to make a move. Everything else is created like a different way. It's not Joe Biden coin. It's whatever the memes are and sayings are. But I felt as though you needed something that was just Joe Biden, right? Not saying that you support him, not saying that you support Trump by supporting MAGA Trump, but the point is that you are supporting investments and making money through these investments. So right now, the markets that's available, and if you wanted to buy it, you can buy it on xt.com. You can buy it on Uniswap. That's where I hold it. I hold it on MetaMask, so I bought it on Uniswap through Ethereum. So if you wanted to purchase it, I believe it still is early stages. Just know that it is up 80%, and you would be taking a risk. At the moment, and you look at the last month, it's up 268%. So you are taking a little bit of a risk while this is up right now. I'm not saying this is the absolute best time to invest, because obviously this would be the best time, but make sure you find the right play. If you are going to invest into it, make sure you find the right time period, the right price, the right level for you to invest before, so that you can feel comfortable, right? Anyways, let me know what you think about Joe Biden coin. Let me know what you think about election coins. Do you think we're going to see a $100 million market cap for Joe Biden coin? Do you think we'll see a $400 million market cap for Joe Biden coin? Or do you think we'll see even a $1 billion market cap? Because honestly, when I look at election coins, when I look at meme coins, there have been meme coins that have, I'm not saying that this has value, but there have been meme coins that really have no connection to the real world and see $1 billion or $2 billion or $3 billion. But since they have the volume and they have the exchanges, that's where things kind of skyrocket from there. So if Joe Biden coin, as well as MAGA Trump, can do the same thing, we'll see so much more. MAGA Trump is already on 165 different pairings. For Joe Biden coin, it's not on that many pairings. And I would imagine some of those pairings are probably like, duplicates and everything, but still, it's on a lot of pairings. So let me know what you think about this. Did I make a wise investment? Am I sitting on a gold mine here by investing in it so early and having $4,700 right now? Or do you think that this is just going to collapse and it's not going to be worth anything? Let me know your opinion. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Also, check out my link for Margex down below. It does help out the channel. And I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.